In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up. Click on this gear at the top left corner and operate all of those options to adjust your wallpaper however you want to. To try something more interesting, hit presets on the left, pick one of those by clicking on it and select yes. Then adjust all of its settings. Now click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and decide where you wish to apply it by clicking on one of those options. Then click on whatever you want to in a live lock screen pop-up and go back. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!